Hey there, let me tell you about an exciting project that we executed here at Orchid Digitals. Grenzebach, a top-notch German engineering company, was setting up their new plant here in Pune, and their director wanted the office decor to reflect their values and premium services. And guess what? We made it happen. We started with a stunning collage of canvas prints to jazz up their workspace. Then we created Sunboard posters showcasing the company's rich 70-year history. For the reception area, we crafted sleek laser-cut acrylic logo signs to wow every visitor who walked in. We didn't just stop there. The front glass facade got a high-resolution glass film print, making the building look super impressive. And to top it all off, we installed a striking acrylic LED glow sign board at the factory's entrance to guide visitors right to their doorstep. The result, a transformed office interior that left every client in awe. And for more such interesting projects on enhancing your office interiors, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.